evening, everybody. My name is Sam Baker and you are watching me live from Bridgetown, Western Australia. Tonight, as I said by the description, I'll be making some broccoli and cauliflower salad. So this is simple, super quick and fully keto. So I'll show it to you now. Now, if you're watching me live, can you drop me a 1? If you're watching the replay, can you drop me a 2 or hashtag replay? If you think anyone would be interested in a quick and easy keto cauliflower and broccoli salad, please feel free to share it on out. And as normal, I will put the recipe up the top in the description when we're finished. Okay, so in here is a small head of broccoli and cauliflower that I had cut into bite-sized pieces, and I steamed those until they were just cooked, so probably about 5-6 minutes, and then I've let them cool down. There, and as I said, that's 1 small head of cauliflower, 1 small head of broccoli. There is 300 grams of bacon that I diced up and then cooked. I'll pop that in. Who here likes bacon? If you like bacon, drop me some bacon down below. There is 3 small spring onions, not small, 3 rather large spring onions that I have cut into pieces about that size, or green onions if you're from America. So I'll pop them in. Shout on out as you pop on, guys. Say hello. Also, let me know where you're coming in from. I'd love to know where you're all from. As I said, I'm from Bridgetown, Western Australia. Hey, Mary Louise, how you going, love? There is a red capsicum, or a pepper, as Americans would say, and I've diced that up as well into just big chunks. There is 1/3 cup of sunflower seeds. Hi, honey. Hello from Sweden. Be lovely. Are you guys in winter over there? It's freezing over here at the moment. We have their sunflower seeds, and that's 1/3 cup of sunflower seeds. Now, I don't know the macro to this before anyone asks, because I don't actually count my macro. I'm OMAD, so I eat 1 meal a day, and most of my carbs are straight from veggies and seeds from my nighttime meal. So that was 1/3 cup of sunflower seeds. Now, in here, we'll make the dressing. There is 1 cup of sour cream, and also 1 cup of no sugar mayonnaise, and this one is Kewpie. I use the Kewpie mayonnaise because that's got no sugar in it. I'll pop that in there. So that's 1 cup of sour cream, full fat obviously, especially if you follow the keto diet, and 1 cup of the mayo as well. In there I will put some salt and pepper. Fairly generous grind, so I'd say probably, like 1/4 teaspoon of your pepper. And my salt's not going to work, guys. Oh, there it will. And a fairly generous grind of your salt as well. Summer, cool, about 20 degrees Celsius. So that's still pretty cool. And hang on, guys. 1 cup of mayo, 1 cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of mustard with your salt and pepper. And I'm using the whole grain mustard. You could use Dijon mustard if you wanted to as well. So that's 2 tablespoons of your whole grain mustard. I'll quickly stir that in. Now this makes up, as you can see, a really big bowl of salad because I tend to meal prep my sides as much as I can. Then I would put in, I would say, hang on, a teaspoon of dill, which is just your dill leaf tips. Who here likes dill? I love dill. I love it with fish. It's really, really yummy on salmon with butter and garlic. It's really nice. That's 2 tablespoons of lemon juice in there as well, and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And then you just mix that dressing through. I'll show you guys before I pop it in. Hey Billy, how you going? Thanks for popping on. I'm making a cauliflower broccoli salad. Now, as I said, guys, if you're watching me live, drop down the 1. If you're watching the replay, give me a hashtag replay or a 2. And if you think anyone would be interested in this quick and easy keto salad, please feel free to share it on out. And if we're not friends, reach on out. I love to share my journey with as many people as possible. Now, as you can see, that's the dressing that I made. Smells really nice, and we just tip that straight on top. And give that a stir through. Super simple. Oh, and I was going to add half a bag of spinach leaves. So that's about 100 grams of baby spinach leaves as well. Who here likes spinach leaves? I love them. So I'd say that's about half a bag. I will get a bigger spoon. Now you saw that, guys, that was super quick, super simple, really fast and really nutritious, which is how I tend to cook. I'm not really into fiddling around. If I'm having a special dinner or something like that, I do tend to make the extra effort, but we eat a lot of one pot and quick meals here. I'll use this as a side, obviously, throughout the week. And we'll be having this tonight with barbecue pork spare ribs, where I make my own sauce. I'll just quickly finish stirring this through. Hey Tristan, how you going?
Hey Mum, how you going?
Not too bad. That was my son, he's just come home from D&D. My husband picked him up. Okay. There you go, guys, that's it. Super quick, super easy, broccoli and cauliflower keto salad, where you've made your own dressing so you know exactly what's in it all. Really, really yummy, and as you can see by the size of this bowl, this will last my family for quite a few days. I will keep it in the fridge, and I just find it easier to meal prep. So as I said, if you're watching the replay, drop me a hashtag replay. If you're watching the live, drop a 1. And if you think anyone would be interested in my broccoli and cauliflower salad, please feel free to share it on out. And if we're not friends, please reach on out. I love sharing my journey with as many people as possible. Thank you all so much. Love and light and keto on, guys.
Smells amazing.